can I decorate my home for Halloween? Let's get started. Hello guys, today I am going to suggest to you the best Halloween and under-budget home decor ideas for 2023. Number 1. Moody candles turn regular black taper candles into something more sinister by adding red hot glue to the body, so it looks like blood. Number 2. Snake candles. There's nothing easier than buying some snake props and using them to up the spooky factor of your decor. Just hang the toys on your taper candles to achieve the look. Number 3. Bat garland. Go bat crazy and hang this cute garland. Cut out bat wings and ears from black construction paper and glue onto cork stoppers. Then glue on googly eyes. Push greening pins into the bottom of cork stoppers and thread a ribbon through to hang. Number 4. Pumpkin planters. Give your jack-o'-lantern a silly hairdo with plants. After carving a funny face into the pumpkin, create eyeballs by gluing lentils onto almonds. Then attach them to the pumpkin with dress pins. Place a battery-powered tea light inside the pumpkin and cover it with a clear bowl. Set your plant on top of the clear bowl so it sticks out the top of the pumpkin. Number 5. Bloody lantern. Make Edgar Allan Poe proud with this, the Raven-esque craft. Outline drops of blood on the opening of a lantern in red marker and fill in with red glass paint. Number 6. Display a fall garland. Don't forget to spruce up the bar cart while you're at it. Learn how to make this gorgeous garland, which also works for the fireplace or as a centerpiece. Number 7. Use a contemporary tablecloth. A black and white striped tablecloth adds a contemporary playfulness to an outdoor Halloween dinner party. Then, glue little ants to your napkin, rings to be freaky, but not too freaky. Number 8. Display an on-theme bouquet. If you're hosting a scary movie night, bring the on-screen horror to life with some scary decor. An on-theme bouquet surrounded by pumpkins, a skull decanter for the table, and some flying paper bats for the walls will do. Floor cushions promise extra seating. Power in numbers when it comes to scary movie marathons. Number 9. Ghostly garland. Glowing ghosts, oh my. Pierce a hole on top of ping-pong balls and draw a face on the front in black marker. Dip squares of cheesecloth into Mod Podge and cover the ping-pong balls. Let dry and poured Jess candle holders make the perfect fall centerpiece. Snap off the stem of a small to medium-sized gourd. Poke string light bulbs into each ping-pong ball hole. Number 10. Gourd Jess candle holders. Make the perfect fall centerpiece. Snap off the stem of a small to medium-sized gourd. Place a tea light candle where the stem used to be and cover with a hurricane glass. Secure the glass in place with greening pins. Number 11. Pumpkin family. Instead of scary decor, go the funny route. Fill clear glasses and vases with candy. Decorate small to medium-sized pumpkins with rickrack, googly eyes, buttons, and more to make silly faces and outfits. Use hot glue and tape to attach. Number 12. Boo-it-yourself ghosts. Talk about an easy craft. Blow up white balloons. Cut out 3 ovals from black cardstock for the ghost's eyes and mouth. Attach them to the white balloon with dots of glue. Tape white streamers to the base of the balloon. Number 13. Make a broomstick pendant light. Now, this is a Halloween dinner party for the spell books. This dining room is fully decked out from the broomstick and black cat chandelier to the black fringed tablecloth, gourds, and black candlesticks. The romantic pink and red centerpieces make for a nice contrast that softens and elevates the themed decor. Number 14. Haunted archway. Get the bash started with a spectacular entry. Anchor 2 branches on either side of the walkway, bend the tops, and secure with garden twine. Use the cobwebs to help bend and shape the branches. You can even add a skeleton crew. Number 15. Hanging witch feet. You can buy these hanging witch feet online, but you can also DIY them with pool noodles, striped tights, and dress-up shoes. Number 16, mysterious mantle. Make family portraits creepy with witch hats and fangs. Then accessorize with paper cutouts of glowing candelabras and flying bats. To create silhouette art, take profile photos of loved ones, then use them as stencils and cut them out. Glue onto doilies to serve as frames. Number 17, go batty front door. Use glue dots to let cutout bats take fleet across your front door. Glue black feathers to a wreath form for an extra spooky touch. Number 18, floating witch hats. Order costume hats in bulk online and suspend them from the porch ceiling with fishing line. Number 19, gaggle of gourds. Gather up gourds in various shapes and sizes and add personality with eyes and accessories. We used colored pushpins with pom-poms and beads. Number 20, string light pumpkins. Set your stoop ablaze by stringing white outdoor holiday lights around regular pumpkins. Number 21, banister bats. These floppy felt creatures will flutter when you walk up and down the stairs. Using a bat template and felt, cut out bat shapes. Tie a 6-inch long piece of monofilament line around the middle of each bat body, letting the wings hang loose. Hot glue 2 pieces of orange, hole-punched paper to the head for eyes, then glue the head onto the middle of the body. Tie the bats to your railings and trim any extra monofilament. Number 22, happy haunters. Use butternut squash and battery-powered tea lights to make a trio of happy haunters. Number 23, pumpkin tin lights. To make these festive pumpkin lights, simply draw a pumpkin design on a metal can with permanent marker, then fill the can with water and freeze. After, use a nail and a hammer to poke holes every 1 to 4 inch to 1 2-inch along the design. Poke a hole on either side for a handle at the top. Once the water has melted and the can is dry, apply orange spray paint and let dry. Finally, cut a 24-inch piece of wire, coil it around a marker, stretch it out, and hook it through the holes on the sides of the bucket. Number 24, twist a spooky branch. Halloween wreaths often lean toward treat rather than trick, but if you prefer scary Halloween decorating ideas, look to your yard for materials. Made from broken tree branches, real or fake, and a coat of black spray paint, this scary wreath can work either indoors or out. Thank you for joining us today on this Halloween home decor idea. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to see you in the next video as we continue to explore more home decor ideas with you. Until next time, may your Halloween bring you endless joy. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video.